Hey guys, welcome to my channel Electronic Gadgets. Today we are talking about the Keychron Q6 Ultra wireless mechanical keyboard, featuring 8K polling rate, full aluminum build, tri-mode connectivity with 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth, and wired, hot-swappable switches, custom RGB and silk palm banana switches for Mac, Windows, and Linux in black. This keyboard is designed for users who want a premium typing and gaming experience with high build quality and extreme responsiveness. It is suitable for gamers, programmers, and creators who need both performance and customization. One of the biggest highlights is the 8K polling rate, which provides extremely fast input response and near instant keystroke registration. This makes it especially beneficial for competitive gaming and fast typing workloads. The full aluminum body is another major feature which gives it a solid, premium feel while also improving durability and stability during heavy use. It reduces flex and enhances overall typing confidence. Another strong advantage is the tri-mode connectivity, which includes wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless options. This gives you flexibility to switch between devices and usage modes depending on your setup. The hot-swappable design allows users to easily change mechanical switches without soldering, making it highly customizable for different typing preferences and sound profiles. The silk palm banana switches provide a smooth and satisfying typing experience with consistent key feel, making long typing sessions more comfortable and enjoyable. RGB lighting adds a customizable visual experience, allowing users to personalize their setup according to their style or gaming environment. Overall, the Keychron Q6 Ultra is a premium mechanical keyboard that combines ultra-fast response time, strong aluminum build quality, and deep customization options in one high-end productivity and gaming keyboard. Thank you. See you in next video.